Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to learn next poem, The Pulley, written by George Herbert. Before going to learn this poem, we will see about the poet. See, he was born in 1593 and died 1633. He was a Welsh poet. George Herbert, he was a Welsh. Welsh means he was inhabited from Rome but after that he lived in Britain. Okay. He was, means Rome is a country before the 11th century in Europe. Okay. He was a priest by profession. He was a priest. Okay. Those are worship the god. He wrote religious poems with a lot of imagery and concepts. Means he wrote many religious poems with a lot of imagery. Means he used many imagery in his poem and concept. Concept means active imagination. Active imagination that conceive in the mind an idea or thought. Okay. The poem exhibits a strange but two-way relationship between God and his worshipper. This poem exhibits a strange but two-way relationship between God and his worshipper. Worshipper means God is a creator and his worshipper means human being. Okay, the means human being is a creation of God. Creator and creations relationship is there. Though he has bestowed his worshipper with all his blessings, somewhere he holds them up with a pulley drawn to be grateful to him in all our endeavor. Means he has shower in this poem, though he has bestowed. Bestowed means he usually give the gift to his worshipper with all his blessing. Means when he blessed the man, that time he blessed he gave the many qualities to man. Somewhere he hold them up with a pulley. But then also, means he blessed man many qualities, but then also he hold up the man with a pulley. Okay, he hold the man with the pulley. Means he lifted to the man with the help of pulley to him. To God. Okay. Be grateful to him in all our endeavor. Means it is a sincere attempt. It is a it is a sincere attempt of poet to write this beautiful poem with the help of great imagination. God give so many precious gifts to the devotee, but at the same time God also expects something in return. Means when God created to man, that time God gives many precious gifts to the devotee. Devotee means that man. Man is the devotee of God. Means he gives the many gifts to his admirer. Okay, gift to his admirer, but at the same time God also expects something. But he also expects a return gift from man. What does he expect? Why does he withhold? Means why withhold to man? Why expect? Means that answer we will get in when we will learn the poem. The pulley shows how God lifts man towards himself with the pulley of restlessness. Means the pulley, it's the scientific image. Okay, that shows how God lifts man. Means how that God lifts the man towards himself. Means that creator lift to the creation toward himself with the pulley of restlessness. With the pulley of restlessness. Restlessness means dissatisfaction. Okay. What is distinctly metaphysical about the poem is that a religious notion is conveyed through a secular scientific image. Means this poem is a supersensual, metaphysical means supersensual poem. Means for example, supersensual means philosopher or particular thought, philosophic thought or particular thought. Means that poem distinctly refer the philosophical thoughts. that a religious notion is conveyed, and that gives us means religious aspects. Okay, notion means aspect is conveyed through a secular scientific image. Secular means long term. Secular means long term scientific image. Scientific image is a pulley, means how God lifted towards himself by the he lifted towards the man towards himself. Okay, with the pulley of restlessness, that we are going to learn in this poem. Now see, so there are 4 stanzas in this poem. First stanza: when God at the first made man, having a glass of blessing standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can, let the world's riches with dispersed lie contract into a span. Means here poet, in the first stanza, poet says that at the time when God first created man. Okay, when God at first made man means when God first created man. Made here means created. Okay, God created man. Means having a glass of blessing standing by. Means he had that time when God created a man, that time he had a glass of blessing. He had a glass of blessing with him. Okay, means that having a glass of blessing standing by, that implicit the comparison. Okay, that implicit the means really it's not a glass of blessing, means real that glass. Okay, it's a object, but really God have a glass? No, but it's a poet use here imagination, glass of blessing. Okay, which is stand for metaphor. Let us, said he, pour on him all we can, and means he decided, he thought that he would be kind. He shows the kindness to man. Okay, he shows the kindness to man, and he pour on him all we can, and he would means he would be kind. He shows the kindness, and he thought that he would pour on the man all the possible gift. Okay, let the world's riches which disperse lie, and what he want to give the man, which possible gifts he means he wished to give to the man. Let the world's riches means wealth boundaries, means gift something given. Okay, means riches means gift something given, which disperse lie, which scattered means which is scattered, and that contract into a span, and that man would be collect and concentrated in the small space that he created, which was man. Okay, means first God created many creature. Okay, many creature like insects, animals, and after that God created to man, and that time he thought that he would give, means he pour many gift to the man. Okay, he pour means pour gift means here qualities. Which gift God want to pour to man means many qualities he wished to pour on man. Okay, pour on his creation. Okay, let the world's riches with disperse lie. It's this line tells us about the antithesis, because riches and disperse. Riches means disperse and contract. Contract means collected, and disperse means scatter. Okay, I mean these are the opposite word, and that tells us about the antithesis. Okay, means he in the first stanza he tells us about that he had a glass of blessing, means he had when he created the man, that time he had a glass of blessing, and he thought that he would be kindness to man. He shows the kindness to man, and he would shower this some gift on man. Okay, and which is that related to means these gifts are valuable. These gifts are very valuable, which means that he scatter on the man, and means he thought that man would be collected it and concentrated in the small space, okay, which was man. Okay, next we will learn tomorrow. Thank you.